Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can switch your Discord server to like a normal just group server to like a community one. So you will need the permission to change it, like maybe you're an admin or you own the server. Select this like arrow going down and select server settings. Then under community you are going to select enable community. Then you are going to select get started. Here you are going to select all of this and press next. And here we must you must have like a guidelines channel, so you either create one for yourself or select create one for me, which Discord will create for you. I like this one better because it's just neater to do. Press next. Then you are going to select I agree and understand and select finish setup. But I'm not going to, because this is just an example, but that's basically how you can enable community on your Discord server. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!